Photography is very much about noticing the world, including how light shapes everyday moments. And in this video, I'd like to share some simple, ordinary scenes where I noticed the light and turned them into photo opportunities. The idea is to show you real examples from one photographer's perspective, hopefully to inspire you to notice and capture more moments in your own day. Some of the best photography opportunities happen essentially right in front of us if we just can slow down, if we can just notice. Now, in this video, I'm focusing on situations where at least there's an element of sunlight, even if it's just soft light breaking through clouds. But if you find yourself in heavy overcast conditions, that opens up a whole another different set of opportunities, which I might cover in another video. One of the examples of noticing everyday situations is reflections in water, on different surfaces, in the glass. Light changes throughout the day. It doesn't matter what season, and it will differ depending on the season, but the light does shift throughout the day. Notice the difference in the morning, the midday, and the late afternoon. See what happens with the shadows. See what happens with color saturations, the different shapes that it can generate. The shadows can create some quite dramatic images. They can add depth and contrast, really add mood to an image. Keep your eye out for interesting shadow patterns on walls and on footpaths and everywhere around you. Using backlight, this is another element of lighting that can be just amazing, where the subject in these examples where I'm using a cold drink and looking through the glass with the sunlight directly behind the glass. Silhouettes, the whole glow that can happen with the backlight is just pretty amazing. Photography is all about noticing, and the more you pay attention to the light, the more you'll see opportunities absolutely everywhere. So try this today. Take a photo of something that you would consider ordinary. Could be the example of what I've shown here with the coffee cup. Could be your desk, the street outside. But focus on how the light interacts with it. Notice the light. Photography is a wonderful adventure, a wonderful constant exploration, and light is one of the great contributors. The quality of the light, the way the light is interacting with objects, is one of the great tools that we have as photographers. And the more you notice, the more you'll discover great images. If you have enjoyed this video, do hit the subscribe button. Have fun with your photography, and I'll see you in the next video.